Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. First up, we see this gorgeous copper colored bob. So the stylist is adding some rollers to the top portion of the hair in order to create some volume towards the crown and into the bang area. This is an absolutely gorgeous hair color. Beautiful feathered bangs into the bob. Stunning transformation. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles within today's video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and of course hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Here we see another gorgeous brunette bob. Followed by a mid-length to bob haircut transformation. Another gorgeous classic bob style. That looked really enhanced her cheekbones. And then we have more of an angled bob haircut for this next look. Beautiful blonde color, cascading back. She has so much volume in this particular haircut. Absolutely stunning. And it looks like we have another bob haircut transformation for the next one. And it looks like the stylist kept things pretty long, making this a beautiful longer bob or lob haircut. Gorgeous. I love her jumpsuit as well. Very chic and fun. So if you guys want to see more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.